I think definitely don't do this.
Just so stole my line.
I'm
filming
I
now.
said it. She comes here and she steals my
Ali,
line.
come here, mate.
hurt himself, he's nuts.
This is something you should never do. This is silly. Ray, let it go.
You got it the right way round.
Put it
Oh, mate, he's got it the wrong way round. Oh, he's got it the wrong way round. He's dropped it.
He's all right, mate.
Yeah, but where's he going to fire next? He put it the wrong way round.
Hey, that's stupid now.
He put it the wrong way round.
Go on, Kenny! This bottom looks very dead, doesn't it?
Hey, look at the black smoke on his hand.
Oh my god, is it
Go on,
smoke coming
fire.
off him?
Go on, give me that. Give me that.
Upside down.
He put it upside down.
Really?